What makes a house a home? For me, it was seeing my daughter's first steps towards a warm embrace. A safe space for my children to dream, to laugh, and to grow knowing they are loved. Home is always awaiting them and teaching them that family comes first. Maybe home is a reflection of us and how we've changed, just like our house has changed with us. Now we celebrate life, 40 years from seeing those first steps to welcoming family and friends to the house we made a home with CTM.
Thank you, South Africa, for always choosing us.